Hey guys, and welcome. So here I'm going to show you 3 methods on how to use this practice hand. Here's a practice hand. This is white blue tack, and this is like mini glue dots that I got from Amazon. The links will be in the description box, of course. Here's acrylic powder and obviously all the things that I need for it, and I've got tips as well. So here, as you can see, the mannequin hand is quite flexible, I would say. Like, it bends and everything. It's so stiff though, so I mean, if you want something that can bend easily, I won't suggest this, but I mean, it works. It works, guys. It works. It's good. I like it. So let's begin with the white blue tack. Let's see how this will work. Guys, I had to wear gloves because basically my nails were crying for help and I could not show you guys. Honestly, I was so embarrassed I could not show you how my nails were crying over quarantine. I've been traveling as well, so, and not traveling like that, but I mean, I've just been with my parents, so at my parents' house, so it's like I don't have all my nail stuff with me to be doing my nails. As you can see, like, it's not sticking properly. What can we do? We just try again. So this is the first method and it's a white tack. Stick it on. I mean, it works. Come on. It's stuck on second time round. I mean, come on, it doesn't come out. So I've tried like bouncing it, pop it off or whatever. It's stuck. It's stuck, like it's very glued on there. Right now I'm using the glue dots. Let's see how that works out. Honestly, I was trying to open this box, guys, and that was such an easy method if I only read the instructions. Oh my god, there it is on the side. Pull that. Instructions are there for a reason, I guess. Next time. So I'm just gonna take one dot and I will use that little dot to stick in a nail tip, or stick on a nail tip. That was sticking on me as well. Guys, this is so long. Honestly, like, look how it's sticking on me. Oh my god. Horrible. Yes. So that's popped on there. Amazing, amazing. Yes, it's quite glued on. I like it. I honestly don't know what I was saying. I tend to speak with my hands a lot, so I mean, I can't tell you what I was saying, guys. I muted this video before I transferred it. So now I'm just going to use the acrylic to stick on the nail tip. Let's see how this last method goes. So this is the third method. We are going through everything, guys, and we're going to go through it as in obviously white blue tack, we did the glue dots, now the acrylic, then we're going to test it out. I'm going to like cut it up, file it, and see which one actually lasts, which one is the best one. Ah, oh my god, that fell, so that's voided. Void. Okay, everyone ignore that. Let's try this again. So I'd say consistency, you'd have to have it on the wet side, not too wet. Make sure it's not too wet, guys. Pop it on and just hold it there till it dries. I mean, the acrylic will hold the tip in place, but just make sure that you're cleaning up the tips on this side if there's any acrylic on this side of the nail. So those are the 3 methods. I just let the acrylic dry and then we'll come back. So here I'm gonna cut this tip off. Right, so it didn't move. Let's cut the middle one. I mean, yeah, as you can tell, the glue dots don't really work well. And this is just on the cutting part, so we'll test it out on the filing. Here's acrylic. That definitely did not move. So let's file this babies down. So it's quite hard filing from this side. Had to kind of glue it again. What I'm just going to do is put my finger to cover that tip and file it down so it just doesn't bounce off. So that's the review for that one with the glue dots. You have to just hold it down, but it keeps moving, and you can see with the blue tack as well, came off, the little bit of nudging. Yeah, the glue dots just moving about everywhere. That's clearly not the best choice. I'm trying to hold it right down. I was really trying my luck here, guys. Yeah, I don't think if you want to do a set quite quickly on a mannequin hand, I don't think using glue dots is the best. Clearly, you just have to keep holding it down. And with the acrylic, let's see, that's amazing. So it's not moved, the tip's still in place, even on the side, still in place. That's it. I mean, from the 3 methods, it's clear that the acrylic is the best choice. Let's pop this baby back on. And obviously you can tell with the white blue tack, you also have to hold that down to file it, and I'm pretty sure no one wants to be doing that when they're trying to do a quick set. And here's a little close-up of how they look like. the wobbly test. The acrylic doesn't move. Blue tack, let's see. That's all right. So guys, it's clear, it's pretty clear. Acrylic is your best choice. If you do want to protect your mannequin hand and you want it to last longer, so I would suggest using acrylic, just a little tiny dot of acrylic, stick on a tip, and then put your acrylic powder or gel, whatever you're working with, on top. Don't put it directly on the mannequin hand, because taking it off will take out a lot of material from your actual mannequin hand. If you think about it, you'll be filing a lot, you'd be using acetone, so your mannequin hand won't really last longer. So I'm just going to use the acrylic on the other two nails. So later on, I'll use the mannequin hand to do a set. If you haven't watched that video, click in the description box and it will direct you to the video of what I use this mannequin hand for. So I wasn't sticking this on, and you can see the other one is coming off, and I think it was maybe too dry before I put the tip on. But it happens for a reason. I can show you guys how to remove the acrylic from that practice hand. So here you can see it's really quite easy, just like you can just peel it off. Look how easy that comes off. And just throw that away and start again, put a new acrylic bead. So here are the three methods. The glue dot, I will not work with that, me personally. The white blue tack, that was okay, it did hold quite good. And the acrylic powder, that was the winner for me. But these two here, no way. I don't think I'll be using the glue dots and the white tack. It will strictly be acrylic. So I'm showing you how to peel it off. With the white tack, just pop it off. With the glue as well, pop it off. It just comes off really easily. So thank you for watching this video. If you do like it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And of course, please share. It will really mean a lot to me. And I know someone might be out there looking for this type of video, so hopefully it will help them too, and you'll be guiding them.